everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this. Pretty! And our materials, this is very easy to make. I have two colors of 11O seed beads. And I have 3mm bicones. Earring hooks. And my beading needle number 11. And this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. First, I pick up 6 yellow and 6 silver seed beads, and I put them alternate. And I'm going to pass through all the beads. To form a circle. So my thread is coming out from silver, and I pick up silver, yellow, and silver. Pass through silver, pick up another silver, yellow, silver, silver, yellow, silver, and I'm going to continue adding silver, yellow, silver until here. Then I'll pick up 2 silver, 1 yellow, and 2 silver. Pass through yellow, pick up another 2, and 1 yellow, and 2 silver. Pass through yellow, and I'm going to continue adding 2 silver, 1 yellow, 2 silver, here, until here. Last set of 2 silver, 1 yellow, 2 silver. exit to yellow, then pick up 1 silver, 1 yellow, bicone, 1 yellow, and 1 silver. Then pass through yellow, pick up another silver, yellow, bicone, yellow, and silver. Pass through yellow, and I'm going to continue adding 1 silver, 1 yellow, bicone, 1 yellow, and silver here, 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 until here. So this is my last set of silver, yellow, bicone, yellow, and silver. Exit to yellow, then pick up 5 yellow, then pick up another 5 yellow, then pass through yellow, bicone, and yellow. Then pick up another 5, then pass through yellow, bicone, and I'm going to continue adding 5 yellow here, here, and here. The last 5 yellow, so pick up 4 silver, then pick up another 4, skip 1 yellow, then pick up another 4, skip 1 yellow, and I'm going to continue adding 4 silver here, here, and here. So I'm going to pick up 5 silver, pass through first silver, then pick up 1, pass through 3, pick up another 1, pick up another 5, guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. I'm just passing through. So I'm going to pass through all the beads, and then I'll make some couple of knots before I cut my thread, and the earring is done. It's pretty. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.